In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for Aldi job openings online. To get started, open the Google Chrome browser on your device. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or app list, depending on whether you're using a computer, laptop, or another supported device. Once Chrome is open, make sure you're on a new tab or ready to enter a website address. Next, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the browser window. This is where you type in website addresses. Enter careers.us, aldi.us, or if you're applying from another country, use the Aldi Careers website specific to your location. After typing the address, press enter on your keyboard to load the page. Give the site a moment to open completely so all search features appear properly. Once the Aldi Careers page has loaded, look for the Search Jobs field. This is the main search box used to find available positions. Click inside that field, then type in the job title you're interested in, such as a store role, warehouse position, or corporate job. If you prefer, you can also type a city or location instead, especially if you want to find openings near you. After entering your search term, click the search button or press enter, depending on how the page is set up. The website will then display a list of job results based on what you entered. Take a moment to review the listings carefully. You may see several roles with similar titles or jobs in nearby areas, so it helps to read the position names and locations closely before making your selection. When you find the listing that best matches your preference, click on it to open the full job details. At that point, you'll be able to view more information about the position, including the job title, location, and a summary of the role. This is helpful for confirming that you selected the right opportunity before moving forward. A quick tip while searching: if you don't see the exact job you want right away, try using a broader job title or a nearby city to expand your results. Small adjustments in your search terms can make a big difference. That's it. By opening Chrome, going to the Aldi Careers website, using the job search field, and selecting the listing that fits your needs, you can quickly begin exploring available opportunities with Aldi.